Put your hand up if you've ever been to a restaurant. Oh, good. So put your hands down. So when the waitress comes around and she asks you what you want to order, do you tell her what you don't want to order? No, you always tell her, so say you wanted a cheeseburger and fries, you're going to say, I want cheeseburger and fries, right? So your brain works exactly like going to a restaurant. You have to tell it what you want to have happen, not what you don't want to have happen, right? So has anybody ever thought something like, I'm not going to do good on a test? Or I'm scared to go to that place, right? The thing is that's like telling the waitress the wrong order, right? So today we want to focus on what we want to order at the restaurant. And remember, your brain's the restaurant. So placing your order in your restaurant of your mind would be asking yourself, what do you wish somebody would say to you? It could be a parent, it could be a friend, it could be whatever you wish somebody would say to you. And you have to know right now that you're becoming that friend to yourself. You're placing that order in your mind of what you want at your restaurant, what you want to feel. And you're going to replace the word you. So if you wish somebody would say, I love you, you're going to say to yourself, I love you to yourself. So you're replacing the word you with the word I. So if you need to hear that you are strong, you're going to say, I am strong. If you want to hear that I am confident, you are confident, you're going to say to yourself, I am confident. So what do you want to place your order at today? If you were at a restaurant and you wanted somebody to tell you something like you are beautiful, you are strong, you are confident, you are smart, what do you need to hear today? And I want you to write down 5 different things. And you can ask